Welcome to Exams Daily. UPSC Prelims result for 2020 has released. In this video, I'm just going to share you how to check roll numbers of selected candidates. UPSC, the Union Public Service Commission, has announced the Civil Service Examination preliminary result for 2020, and this commission has also declared the result of candidates who have qualified for the Indian Forest Service Mains Examination 2020 also. And for this, you want to visit official website of UPSC to check your result, and I will show you how to check your result. Before that, the Union Public Service Commission has released the official notification for the Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020 on February 12th. And the Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020 was originally scheduled to be held on May 31st, but it has to be delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, and this examination was finally conducted on October 4th. UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination is the first stage of the examination, and those who pass it are eligible for the mains examination. The exam is objective in nature, consisting of two papers. The marks obtained by the candidate in preliminary examination is not considered while determining the final merit list. These are the main things about this preliminary examination, and I will show you how to check your result. And this is the main page of UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. In the main page, they had fixed this. So, Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020, result of Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020 is available at www.upsconline.nic.in. So by clicking this, you will redirect to the page of notification. See, this is the page. So here you can see what are the news that is uploaded by UPSC will comes under in this page. So see, here it is Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020. And then next, they had also announced Indian Forest Service Preliminary Examination 2020 through CSP Examination 2020. So just by clicking this, you will redirect to the page. So this is the page. So see, here is the result has published as Government of India press note, result for the Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020. So on the basis of result of Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020, which is held on October 4th, and those who are eligible qualified for this mains examination, their roll numbers are published by the commission. So and then you want to apply for this detailed application form DAF1 for the Civil Service Main Examination 2020, so which is available on Union Public Service Commission upsconline.nic.in official website. During the period of 28/10/2020 to 11/11/2020 till 6 p.m. you can register for mains examination. That is, those who are passed in preliminary examination, those whose roll number are in the result published by UPSC, you are eligible mains examination. So for that, you want to apply for that in this portal, that is upsconline.nic.in. So from the period of 28/10/2020 to 11/11/2020. So if you had once apply for this mains examination, you will receive admit card and you can write mains examination. So you can submit your admission only using online mode only. So on the mains examination date also announced by UPSC. So admission to the Civil Service Mains Examination 2020 to be held from Friday the 8th January 2021. That is, January 8th is the mains examination date. So important instructions for filling up the DAF1 and its submission will also available on the website. And those who are declared successful have the first get themselves registered on the relevant page of above website before filling up the online DAF1. So, qualified candidates, you are further advised to read the rules of the Civil Service Examination 2020, which is published in the Gazette of India, Department of Personnel and Training notification, which is dated on 12/2/2020. The e-admit card along with the timetable for the mains examination will be uploaded on the Commission's official website, and then your admit card for this examination for the eligible candidates will be released around 3 to 4 weeks before the commencement of examination. So if you have any changes in postal address or email address or mobile number after the submission of DAF1, you may be communicated to the commission at once. So, and also they had informed the marks, cutoff marks, and answers keys of screening test, which is held through CSP examination 2020, and it will be also uploaded on Commission's website. So, these are the information they had given. So, only after the process of civil service examination 2020 over, after the declaration of final result, they will upload the information regarding cutoff marks and then screening test details. And then also they had given, you can, for any queries, you can visit the UPSC's main page for more information regarding this. And I will show you, this is the result which is published by Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020. These are the candidates list. They had given roll numbers. So these are the roll numbers who had passed for UPSC Civil Service Preliminary Examination. So likewise, they had announced the result, and this is the information which is given in UPSC's official site regarding UPSC Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2020. So mains examination to be held in January 8, 2021. So you people get ready for that too, and all the best for those who had completed a preliminary examination, and all the best for your mains examination. Do well and prepare well. So hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.